Hello. Hi, I'm picking up my camera.
Sure.
The color of my underwear. You wanna know what I got going on down there? Is it pretty in pink or see-through? Is it showing off my gummy roll tattoo? You wanna put me in your mouth on the way down south? You wanna tell me shit? That's what I'm talking about. Put me in your mouth on the way down south. You wanna tell me shit? That's what I'm talking about. She knows I'd hit it.
I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed. Cat is like, what are you eating, bunny? Give me some. Wait, this doesn't smell good to me. Why are you eating that?
Steak.
Steak!
We're having steak?
Yeah!
Oh, nice. But we don't have beer.
What?
Just on beer.
Beer? You want steak and beer?
Steak and beer. Steak and eggs and beer.
You want eggs?
I don't know. It's just breakfast.
Can you eat this much asparagus?
You can eat a lot.
I saw it when I was getting asparagus. And I do like kale chips, so then I figured I'll just grab some.
I thought you saw a TikTok.
No. I rarely make things out of TikTok videos. Recipes. Because I'm not cooking much right now. I'm just surviving. There's this thing called the optimal level of arousal, and it means that, like, for you to be engaged in something, you have to have like the right amount of stimulation. Some people need absolutely no stimulation to be focused on a task. Like, they need complete peace and quiet. Some people need like a little bit of chaos, and I need like, either I'm doing multiple things at once, like filming, unboxing this, checking the steak, and checking the Uber order to be like fully engaged. But then some people, they need like absolute silence to be able to do something. So it's just interesting. My therapist taught me. So in the morning, I think a part of me that can't get up in the morning is because I need that optimal level of arousal. I need some music playing or something, because I used to have this alarm clock that would like buzz at me, like, you know how your alarm goes wah, wah? It would do that, but it would play the radio in the background, and then that would help me get up, because the alarm is waking me up, but the music's actually like arousing my brain and stimulating my brain enough for me to get up and start getting ready. So it's interesting. Face glue? Oh! Oh, what the heck?
I don't get it.
Elmer's school glue.
Nice.
My kids will love this. This is actually makeup though, it's primer. Look at this, there's little stamps and stickers. And there's a corgi sticker with a bubble tea. Cute. One more.
There you go. It's too wobbly for you? You want that one?
Here's a coming. On the way. Look at this. I don't know when it's gonna be cooked enough.
One down.
I put the asparagus in.